Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Begin by tuning to standard EJ and place a capo on fret 2 to match the original key. Choose light gauge, 0-10, 0-46 strings for bright tone and easier fretboard movement. Set your metronome to 92 BPM and practice counting steady eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Check your guitar's action so fretting is comfortable. Lower action helps fast chord changes. Warm up with a 5-minute chromatic exercise across the first 5 frets to loosen fingers and establish even pick attack. The song's chord progression cycles M7, G, D, with roughly 2 bars of feel per chord, and a light palm mute between changes to keep momentum. Use a down-down-up-up-down-up strum pattern, keeping the wrist relaxed and the pick close to the strings for consistent attack. Accent beats 2 and 4 to emulate the groove, and let selected open strings ring during the G chord to create space. Practice chord swaps slowly, then increase to tempo in 5 BPM increments until you reach 92 BPM. For lead fills, target the minor pentatonic box around the 7th and 9th frets and play short 2- or 3-note motifs that resolve to chord tones. Keep phrases concise and rhythmic. Set a light overdrive with tone around 3. 5 and medium gain to add warmth without heavy distortion, and slightly boost presence for solos. Arrange dynamics deliberately. Play verses softly with sparse fills, then increase strum intensity and add doubled octave lines in the chorus to lift energy. End each phrase by returning to the core progression to maintain song structure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.